curious to know how I managed to maintain my bike. The part which is most prone to scratches, to clean and detail or exhaust special tool. I'll dip this special tool what I have made in this shampoo water solution. And it is not practically possible to remove the heat shield every time you buff it just to get that added shine. Fail to buff it properly, that may lead to discoloration of the exhaust. Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. Friends, in my today's episode, I want to show you guys how I clean and detail my bike's bend pipe and the exhaust. So my bike is a standard 350 2016 model BS3 version and it's already 4 years old, and all my subscribers and viewers are very curious to know how I managed to maintain my bike in such a good condition. And I'll just show you my bend pipe and the exhaust. So if I zoom into the bend pipe, you don't see any discoloration over here. Normally Royal Enfields are most prone to discoloration in the bend pipe. And one more place which is more prone to rust and discoloration is this area. This is the catalytic converter area. This area is most prone to rust and discoloration. And one more part which is most prone to scratches is the heat shield. So that is normally because pillion riders tend to keep their leg on the heat shield. So that is the reason why it is most prone to scratches. So as you can see, there is no rust spot or scratches on my exhaust, and there is no discoloration of the bend pipe even in the catalytic converter area. So in my today's episode, I will share the secrecy behind the shine of my exhaust. So there are few things which is required to clean and detail our exhaust. Number one is a shampoo. It need not be necessarily any car washing shampoo. Any shampoo would be fine. And the second product what I am using is a chrome polish and rust remover. So I am using a product from a brand called Turtle Wax. And the next product what I am using is a wax polish, and it's from the brand 3M Car Care. And I am using a toothbrush. So there is one more special tool which I fabricated just for the purpose of exhaust and bend pipe cleaning. And that special tool is this cloth ribbon. Now you guys might be wondering what is the use of this cloth ribbon. I'll show you guys in a while. As usual, I have taken some shampoo water solution in this mug. And now I'll dip this special tool what I have made in this shampoo water solution. I have got one more cloth also. Okay. So this is how people normally wash their exhaust. But the real problem is no one can insert their hand behind the heat shields. Okay, and that is the areas where dust is accumulated or dirt is accumulated, and there is more chances of rusting of the exhaust and discoloration of the exhaust, especially near the catalytic converter area. And it is not practically possible to remove the heat shield every time when you wash your bike. Maybe once in 6 months or once in a year you can remove the heat shield and you can clean it. But whenever you are washing your bike, it's not practically possible, and it's very time consuming to remove the heat shield and to clean it. So that is the reason why I have devised this ribbon to clean the areas behind the heat shields. I'll just show it in a close-up view. So using this ribbon is very simple. All you have to do is you just have to insert this ribbon like this. Okay, see, it slips very easily and it will come in the other end. And once it has reached the other end, all you have to do is you just have to pull it like this. Okay, how easily you can clean even behind the heat shields also. And when it comes to the main heat shield, see, this is how easy it is to clean. You just need to fiddle a little bit to insert this ribbon. Once if it comes outside from the other end, then it's very easy to clean the inner side also. See here, how easy it is to clean the inner side. It's very practical and it's not at all time consuming, and it's very easy job, and it's the best way to clean the inner end of the exhaust where the heat shield is covered. So guys, that is how I clean my exhaust using this simple ribbon tool, especially near the catalytic converter area and the exhaust heat shield where my hand is not accessible. So next we will buff the exhaust using the chrome polish, and then I will show you how to detail the exhaust. So buffing the exhaust is very simple. We need a cloth a waste rag. So I have put some chrome polish on the rag and just apply it on the exhaust. You may need to use little more buffing cream, especially near the bend pipe area and near this heat shield area where it is more prone to scratches due to the pillion riders. So I'll put little more. So after you have applied the buffing cream, allow it to set there for a while, maybe for 5 minutes until it dries. So after the buffing cream is dried, all you have to do is you have to take a rag or a waste cloth and just buff it. Okay. So after we have done with buffing the exhaust using chrome polish or rust remover, I'll apply some 3M wax. You can use any wax. It is just for detailing purpose, to get that added shine. But keep one thing in mind, if you are using wax polish, especially near the bend pipe area and near the catalytic converter area, you have to buff it properly. In case if you fail to buff it properly, that may lead to discoloration of the exhaust. Okay. So keep that in mind. So after we have done applying the wax polish, as usual, we will buff it again. So my dear friends, this is how I clean and detail my exhaust and the bend pipe. If you have any doubts, please write it down in the comment box. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and please share my video with all your friends and contacts, and please subscribe to my channel Mundodi Vlogs for more such interesting and informative videos in the future. Thank you guys.